This is an introduction to the thinking foundations of design thinking and its effects. It is part of the Kingara Guide to Mastering Design Thinking. So let's dive in. The different types of thinking that form the foundations of design thinking include creative thinking, critical thinking, reflective thinking, interactive thinking, abstract thinking, and specific thinking. These types are also the foundational building blocks of the Kingara paradigm. The names are just labels. What matters are the different effects each type of thinking has on our ideas, our concepts, proofs, assumptions, etc., as well as on the overall direction of the process. An understanding of their effects is essential for understanding the model. So from left to right and top to bottom, creative thinking expands the scope, increases the number of options or the size of the area under consideration. Critical thinking has the opposite effect. It narrows the scope, decreases the number of options or the size of the area under consideration. Reflective thinking elicits new information through internal reflection on existing information. Interactive thinking allows for soliciting new information from an interaction with an external party. Abstract thinking shifts our focus toward gaining an overview, away from details, and involves the use and generation of more abstract or conceptual artifacts. Abstraction also relates to taking some distance from the matter at hand. On the other side, specific thinking shifts our focus to details and generates more specific artifacts. It also relates to a closer level of observation and involvement. Each type of thinking can be considered a means to achieve a desired effect. With opposite types of thinking having opposite effects, each pair forms a balance. The three balances are part of the three dimensions of the Kingara paradigm. The different types of thinking are chosen and applied in design thinking activities in pursuit of the desired effects. Regularly alternating between opposite types of thinking in successive activities is one of the mechanisms that make design thinking so effective. This mechanism, called mode switching, is the topic of another video. If you would like a more solid understanding of design thinking to advance your design thinking capabilities, then check out the other videos and the accompanying guide.